Procrastination, social facilitation, lack of direction. These are problems that managers face with their staff all the time. How can this be conquered, you ask? Well, you're about to find out. We are Evolvere, a coach company like no other. We have staff members with years of experience in dealing with such issues. One time I was attending a conference in Reading, and other people said that coach companies are all the same. Then made me ask, how can we be different? And then it hit me. At Evolvere, what we do is we show a hungry man how to fish rather than giving them the fish. This means the managers we coach don't only provide support, challenge and feedback, but instead, we provide value answers. My name is Kezza, I'm the Managing Director of Evolvere. What I'm going to do now is pass you on to Aaron.
Thank you very much, Kez. I'm Aaron, I'm a psychological coach for Evolvere. It's my job to help you and your organisations overcome psychological obstacles such as procrastination and self-doubt. We can then teach you some techniques to use for yourself at the end of the day. Now, the way in which we do this is using the A, B, C, D, E model. Now, the key principle behind the model is to dispute the beliefs which are causing the disturbance. For example, procrastination, delaying that key and important decision just because you don't want to be perceived negatively by your employers for making that wrong decision. We at Evolvere encourage people to take a different perspective. For example, perhaps management would actually appreciate a quicker, more responsive decision as opposed to a doubtful and last-minute one. This is just one way in which we can benefit your companies. Over to you, Rachel.
Thank you, Aaron. Hi, I'm Angelie, Evolvere's team coach. We strongly believe to implement Kazim Smith's 4 key factors of successful team, which we've adapted to make our Evolvere wheel of success. We use many strategies, including process consultation management, which is an analysation process on 2 levels. First level is a substantive level, where we observe and analyse the team to see how they affect a specific organisational problem. Then the second level is internal, which is where systematic interventions are implemented to deal with said problems. Our bespoke services have been used by many companies, including Unilever and Jaguar and Land Rover, from scenarios ranging from upskilling operational staff to help employees cope with a changing culture. And we believe we can use these successful strategies for your company. Over to you, Zach.
Thanks, Ange. Hi, my name's Zach. I'm the executive coach of Evolvere, and my role is to enhance the quality of your leaders within your organisations. Companies historically have been recognised by the climatic demands of their leaders or the influential reach of their leaders. Hence, organisations are now deciding to invest in enhancing the quality of their leaders with the adoption of executive coaching, a strategy to enhance human capital development. Over here at Evolvere, we use a multi-style leadership coaching process, where initially the coach will interact with the client to understand the goals of the organisation and the individual. And then as the process goes on, the coach will meet with the coachee to understand what motivates the coachee, what their needs are, and how the perceived outcomes will be achieved. Thereon, the coach will train and teach the coachee new ways and strategies of approaching challenges that they may come across in their day-to-day life as a leader. And then finally, the coach will step back, evaluate the organisation as a whole and the individual, and then give feedback in regards to progress or change. And that's how we, at Evolvere, will change your leaders to be the leaders that we remembered in history. Thank you.
As businesses go multi-set or global, the distance between the managers and staff actually widens. Through coaching, we can actually help create a profitable and protective field. So, why don't you come over with us at Evolvere? The evolution starts.
Oh goodness, I'm sorry.
You mentioned that you did something with Unilever,
Yes.
is that right?
Yes.
Did you use one of these models
Yes,
with Unilever?
we use process
Could
consultation.
you run that through?
Yeah, that's why we worked with Anita Wild, who is a representative of Unilever, in which that she outsourced the service to us, and we sat down and we used the process consultation approach, where we went in with the whole Unilever team and observed and analysed the actual problem. And what it was is that the operational staff weren't performing effectively, And with our observations, and we sat down and with them have made a plan together with the team. So it involves them as well, so they feel empowered. And then after that, we put all the services into practice, and it's been successful.
When you talked about the operations side,
Yes.
how did you identify, what methods do you use to identify that it wasn't working?
Unfortunately, that is confidential, and we would find an agreement with the company where we would keep that confidential. I'm sorry, but
What about the methods? Did you use
oh,
particular methods?
yeah, we use the whole process consultation approach. I'm so sorry, we're not allowed to divulge into how it. Okay.
So on the business cards, if you actually scan that code, you'll directly translate to our website, so it takes you straight through to it.
And just out of interest, what is your background? How did you decide to go into coaching?
Well, we started off as a we started off as a cognitive behavioural therapy company, because that's where cognitive behavioural coaching actually started from, back in the 70s. That's where we started outwards, and then gradually coaching became more of a so we started off as a psychological coaching company, and gradually opened into team coaching, executive